Welcome back. Anne Bordeaux here with First Class Property Solutions. Today we're talking about how to spot an up-and-coming OKC neighborhood. Quick tip, big impact. Let's go. First, watch where the investment is going. New construction, road improvements, public projects, sidewalks, trails, updated storefronts, and renovation activity are all signs that an area may be gaining attention. When you see money flowing into a neighborhood, that can be a signal that the area is starting to grow. Second, follow the amenities. Grocery stores, coffee shops, restaurants, parks, entertainment, and local businesses usually do not pop up by accident. They often follow population growth, buyer demand, and neighborhood momentum. When daily life conveniences start showing up, buyers usually start paying attention too. Third, check the numbers. Look at recent sold prices, days on market, rental demand, renovation activity, and how many homes are being updated or flipped. An up-and-coming neighborhood should show signs of demand, not just hype. Pretty murals and cute coffee shops are great, but the numbers need to make sense too. Getting this right in Oklahoma City matters because OKC is still growing and changing. Public improvements, new businesses, infrastructure projects, parks, trails, sidewalks, and revitalization can all change how people live, work, and move around the city. The key is spotting areas with real momentum before everyone else catches on. Bottom line, do not just chase the cheapest house or the trendiest neighborhood name. Look for real signs of growth, investment, amenities, data, and demand. That is how you spot opportunity before it becomes obvious. Drop a comment if this was helpful and subscribe for more OKC real estate content every week. I'm Anne Bordeaux with First Class Property Solutions. Reach me at 405-902-0262 or visit fcpsok.com. Let's make it happen.